Some persons have emailed me to ask how I season pork before stewing, so this quick video was prepared to show you how I season the diced pork. Put the pork in a bowl, wash it in vinegar water, then drain it. To the pork, add my green seasoning blend, which has a ton of green herbs plus garlic and onions. You can find the link to that recipe in the description box below. Feel free to use your fresh herbs too, like celery, parsley, chives or chive, etc. Please don't ask me how much of that I put in, because when I season meat, I don't measure. I go by feel and whatever seasonings are available at the time. So I added all-purpose seasoning, oregano, basil, soy sauce, curry, saffron, paprika, cumin, and lime juice. Sometimes I use an orange and squeeze the juice all over the pork. The citrus cuts out that distinct scent of the pork when it's cooking. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Now I also added red pepper flakes since my peeps like it spicy. But if you're not into spicy foods, just leave it out. When you're done, give it a good stir and rub the seasonings into the meat. Sometimes I add the browning one time and make sure I coat the pork well and then let it sit overnight or freeze it until I am ready to cook. However, if you're cooking your stew pork the same day, allow it to sit for at least 4 hours so that it can soak up all the seasoning before cooking. Oh gosh, look at that pork. It's ready for the stew, and I'm going to show you how I cook my stew pork in another video. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that succulent pork stew.